Okay folks, I'm sitting here in my leather room and I have 3 wolves spotted. They were bedded down. One of them's gotten up and moving though. Ah, come on now buddy, lay back down. I got a hold of the guy that's in charge of that property and he told me yeah, I could go after them, but watch them here a second, see what they do. A long ways over there. It's got to be probably a mile and a half at least. Oh, okay, he's coming back. Ah, man. Yeah, definitely 3 wolves. Okay. Yeah, those little black dots right in the middle of the screen. It won't focus that far. But those are wolves. Grab my rifle, I'm going to get out of here and go after them. This is tough on an old fat guy. The snow is easily knee deep. There's still a long ways up there. If I can get up to that ridge over there, I should be able to see them. I probably won't be able to shoot from there. It'd be too far, but at least I can see if they're still there. Man, I'm worn out already. What a beautiful day, though. Dang, I hope they're there. That ridge up there is higher than I thought. I can't see them yet from here. You're pretty, though. Okay, they bedded back down. They're at least a quarter mile away still. So hopefully I can get this zoomed in. Really hard to see this viewfinder. There's a lot of glare on it. Let's see. They're right below that mountain. On that far ridge right there. There we go. Yeah, 3 wolves right there. Now how do I get to them? The side of the hill I'm on, they're gonna see me for sure. If I can come in from that way, I don't know how long they're gonna lay there. That's awfully steep. I gotta go clear back down this hill again. Probably up that draw right there. If I can get behind them. Oh, this ain't gonna be easy. This is the best chance I've had at a wolf so far as hunting goes. Let's see where they at. Right there, I think. Yeah, right there. I've only caught 1 trapping and I've had absolutely no luck hunting them. You rarely see them. This is only the 4th or 5th time I've ever seen them. Let's see where they go. I lost them now, I think. I guess at very worst, if I can't get any closer, I got my predator call. I'll try calling them. That might work, or it might send them running off in another direction as fast as they can go. I kind of hate to make any noise if I can get closer. I'll try to do that first. There's one nervous one that keeps getting up and walking around, checking out the hill behind them. I don't know if this is going to work or not. I can barely see him in this viewfinder. Can't really tell what they're doing. Man, I hope I'm getting this. I really can't tell. A long ways over there yet. Okay, the wolves are on the backside of this ridge right here. With that big rock on it. They're right in line with the point of that mountain up there. It's still a long ways to go, but I think if I hit this trail right over there, I can get right up on top of that ridge. And I don't know how far of a shot that'd be. It might still be too far. I think that's my only bet, only hope. The reason they're here is all these elk beds right here. I've been watching those elk for the last couple of weeks. And they've been hanging around right in here. The wolves will follow those elk. So, about 2 weeks ago I saw what looked like 4 of them. But I wasn't positive they weren't coyotes. No. Okay, there they are. Hope you can see them from here. There's enough glare on here, I don't know if I'm getting it. Yeah, that's them right there. And dang it, they're on the move. Okay, 2 of them just got up. They're coming my direction. But I can see a 3rd one land right on top of that ridge. He's going to see me if I try to get closer. They are coming my way, so maybe they'll work their way on up this way a little closer to me. I hope that 3rd one gets up and moves where I can get a little bit of a different angle. Well, crap. I just blew it. I got 2 shots off. They were coming in, but they were too far out. And I screwed it up. Doggone it. I tried to call them. The one was on the way. But the other 2 were heading the other direction. I figured he wasn't going to stick around. As soon as he stopped, I gave it a try, but I'm pretty sure I missed him. I'll walk over there and look for blood, but oh man, that makes me sick. Here a second ago, right over there, there was 4 or 5 elk that ran off, so that's the reason they're here. They've been following these elk. Oh, good golly. Well, that's the closest I've come hunting them so far, but damn it, I missed. Twice. Well, now, to add to the disappointment, I'm not 100% sure these are wolves. They sure look like it. When he got up, he was long and lanky, and it didn't look like a coyote. But the one I shot at, these tracks are big for a coyote. Not very big for a wolf. Now I'm not positive what happened. The other shot was clear over on that hill over there. I guess I'll walk over and look at those tracks and see what they look like. See if there's any blood. I don't see any blood here. I don't see my bullet impact either, though, but in snow sometimes that's hard. It's got a little bit of crust on it also. Folks, these are coyote tracks. I don't know that those were wolves now. They sure look like it, but if they were coyotes, they sure fooled me. I think that happens a lot, though. People see coyotes and think they're wolves, but I was absolutely positive those were wolves. I got a long walk. Long walk to get back. That I'm up here this far. Beautiful day. And I did shoot when he was on that far hill. So I'll go over and look and see if there's any blood over there and go find their beds. Their beds were right there on that. Doggone, I can't see anything in this rangefinder. I'm just kind of pointing this thing. Their beds were right there on that little knob. So I should be able to tell by the size of the bed if they're coyotes or wolves, and there ought to be tracks there. A lot of work. The snow needs to melt. Well, guys, there's no doubt about it. These are coyote tracks. They're not wolves at all. Here's their beds. One there, and one there. Oh boy, the snow is deep. These are coyotes, guys. I can't believe that. I walked all the way up here for 3 coyotes and then missed. I guess I have mixed feelings about it, I guess. I feel like if they were wolves, I could have got close enough to have got a shot. Although I missed. But to come probably 2 miles, stalk 2 miles to get to this point, to where they actually were, makes me feel kind of good. And at the same time, now that I know they are coyotes and not wolves, I feel a little bit better about missing them. So, I don't know. Overall, it wasn't a waste of time, I guess, but kind of is. I'm having a good time. Have a whole lot better time if I was having to drag a wolf back down the hill 2 miles, though. Probably kill me, but I'd have a good time doing it. Oh, anyhow. Them's the breaks. I really wonder. I mean, I'm out here a lot. Hunter, trapper. I've caught a lot of coyotes. I've shot a lot of coyotes. Called in a lot of coyotes. I know the difference between a coyote and a wolf, but these 3 sure fooled me. I was absolutely positive those were wolves. It really makes me wonder how many of these people they're seeing them that's what they're seeing, is coyotes and not wolves. But, man, what a pretty day. Look at that mountain. Even though I'm going down empty-handed, when you get to see something like that, how could you call this a failure? Right there is my room, my leather room window, where I saw these guys. And it's clear up here. To the bed I'm sitting in right now that my non-wolf hunt happened. Oh, can you believe that? Talk about feeling silly. Oh, I'll tell you what, I'm going to catch my death of foolishness. Sure disappointing. If I'd have known they were only coyotes, I sure wouldn't have come all the way up here and done this. But, you know, it's done a couple of things. It got me out of the house. It kind of cured my little itch to get out and go hunting. It did keep me from getting my chair seat worked on. I was going to put that together today. But I still can. It's only about 1 o'clock in the afternoon now. But it also tells me that I need to take my rifle back to the rifle range and shoot a little bit more, make sure that it is on. I was getting sore when I was sighting it in last time. I didn't have it quite as perfect as I'd hoped, but I thought it was close enough. But I've missed actually three coyotes now with it, but all of them 300 plus. But it's a 7mm mag. It should do better than that. Coyote isn't a very big target though at that range. Anyway, I got a long walk to get back home. On back. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Maybe next time I won't be calling crying wolf, and they'll really be the real thing instead of these small versions. That is, if I lived long enough to get back home. I'm pretty pooped. See ya, guys. Thanks again.